I have an idea. Let's make podcasting on sound.
Yay! So,
Hello everyone.
my name is Khushi and she's
Jan Shivardhan, your favorite teacher. And today we are doing
podcasting on
sound.
Yay!
We are excited for that.
So, let's start our podcasting.
Okay. So, Khushi, you produce sound with this. So, how sound is produced? What is it? This is sound.
Can I tell you?
Oh, I ask you, now tell me.
Okay. Sound is a sensation felt by our ears. Okay. In simple words, we can say that sound is produced by vibrating body.
Like, this is vibrating.
Body.
Okay, this is a body and vibrates.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for telling me.
Okay. Janchi, I can't understand that sound produced by a vibrating body. If sound is not produced by vibrating body, so sound is produced?
No, actually, the sound is produced by vibrating body because in our neck there is a vocal cords which vibrates and the sound is produced. Let's do an activity to do this. So, like in the clip you see, this is the pan and she is striking it. So, यहाँ पे हाथ रखो. Take your hand in it.
Oh, my hand starts vibrating when you snap the pan.
Can you feel vibrations?
Yes, I feel vibrations.
Now you can take. I can also do this. Oh, I also feel the vibrations.
Yes.
So this is the
Vibration.
This is vibration, and without vibration, the sound is not produced. Correct. Okay. Now you can tell me. The sound is produced, but how?
In humans. In humans?
Yes, in humans.
Oh, can I tell you? I know. Humans have the organ called larynx. Okay? Larynx.
Larynx.
Yes. Voice box.
Oh, voice box.
Yeah. The voice box have two vocal cords. When they vibrate and the sound is produced. Very simple.
Okay, so sound is produced by vocal cords. So it is like the strips.
Yes, it is like the strips.
Not like the stick.
Strips.
Okay.
Like pipe, strips.
No, the pipe is not a strip. Strip is like this.
Yes.
The paper like this. Okay.
Correct. So Janchi,
Yes.
can you tell me what is vibration?
Yes. To and fro motion and back and fro motion is called the vibration. It is very easy.
I can't understand. Can you tell me with the activity?
So let's do the activity.
Thank you.
So you understand what is a vibration because this is the activity of the vibration.
Yes.
Okay, so let's make it fun.
Okay.
So fair, take it. Now, आपको ऐसे ही पकड़ के रहना है. Oh no! आप ऐसे पकड़ो.
ऐसे?
हाँ जी. आपको यहाँ पे वाइब्रेशन फील होगी देखना.
Yes, हो रही है.
Okay, so like if we take here a hand and here also we can feel vibrations.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, so now you can tell me what is vibration?
To and fro motion of an object from its mean position is called vibration.
Now,
Like this. देखो. I can stand. 1, 2, 1, 2,
Oh,
1,
oh,
2.
Khushi, sit down. This is not. The vibration is back and forth motion and to and fro forth motion.
Oh, I'm sorry. So,
like this.
okay.
Naughty girl.
ठीक है.
Like your hairs, I.
Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Don't touch my hair. Understood?
No.
You laugh?
Huh?
Oh! Janchi!
Now, continue podcasting, Khushi.
Yes. Podcasting. Janchi?
Yes.
No. What is amplitude?
Amplitude? Oh, I don't know. You can tell me what is amplitude?
Can I tell you? So,
ये देखो.
see here.
Okay, this is a whiteboard, I think.
Yes, it's a whiteboard. So, we study today amplitude.
Now we are doing podcasting. The today's topic is podcasting on sound.
Okay, I'm joking. ठीक है.
So amplitude is
Amplitude. देखो. You can teach me what is amplitude, okay?
let me teach you. So this is the mean position.
Yes.
This position, this is the pendulum, and this is its mean position.
Yes.
And when it's go like this is C, A and B. So when A comes to C and C comes to A comes to B and B comes to A. So the mean position is also in like A, C, A, B, A, C, A, B, and many more. So in this we can see this is the A is producing. So C is like here. C is not here like this. Okay.
Oh, please, stop teaching me. I
No,
can't
it's-
understand. I understand that amplitude is maximum displacement of the ball about its mean position is known as amplitude. Okay?
Now हम इसको रख देते हैं. मैंने समझ लिया क्या होता है amplitude.
So chalo. Let's go to the back. Go to the point.
Now you can tell me
Podcasting.
what is frequency.
Frequency. Okay. I can't know about frequency. You can tell me also.
Oh, frequency. The vibration per second is called the frequency.
Oh.
Like this vibrates. I am taking it turn by turn because it is helping us to understand it. Take your hand. So in once up a hand उठाओ चलो. In 1 second,
Yeah.
vibrations are 20.
Oh.
Now, question.
Okay. I like your hair so much.
Me too.
Don't touch my hair. Understood?
Okay.
Um.
Now, what is oscillation?
Oscillation. You don't know?
No.
I can tell you. Okay.
Tell me now.
See.
See.
And listen to me.
Speak loudly.
Okay. I can tell you. Oscillation. You tell me. You tell me that what is oscillation. So I can also tell you. Okay. What is oscillation?
I can't tell you what is oscillation. I tell you frequency.
You tell me oscillation.
No, frequency.
Okay. I can tell you a question. What is the unit of frequency?
Okay, it's very easy. Hertz.
Good.
Back to the podcasting. What is oscillation?
Oscillation. To and from motion of the ball about its mean position is called oscillation.
It's not the amplitude. I think it is to and from motion. sorry, to and fourth motion if from its mean position like this and this is called.
See, I can do
Which one?
activity.
Let's make the amplitude. Oh,
This is pendulum. Okay.
I can take this.
Yes.
Yes.
This is pendulum,
Hmm.
and this is this mean position.
Okay.
And pendulum mean position. Okay. To, fro, to, fro, to, fro, to, fro. Now, देखो, to, fro हो ही जा रहा है ना? देखो, to, fro, to, fro. It's called oscillation.
Now I understand. What is oscillation? Thank you for telling me. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Now, your question.
यार
What is pitch? What is pitch?
what is pitch?
Shrillness of the sound is called pitch. You take so many time.
Oh, sorry.
देखो.
This is shrillness, है ना? It's pitch. It's shrillness of sound.
Not your ew. Like, you know about waves. What is waves
Yes.
of the sound?
Also,
Yes, you know.
Also.
So, oh, I can take this now. You can see amplitude को सरल से साइड. So these are the waves.
Yes.
So in the distance of this, so this is the shrillness of the sound. Like if I draw many waves, so no distance in it,
Oh,
no distance. So this is the shrillness of the sound.
okay. I know. These are waves,
Yes.
and the distance.
Now,
is known as-
not in this, in the back.
Oh,
In
back.
this.
Okay,
Not
okay.
in this.
Okay. It's called shrillness of the sound, है ना?
Yes. Now stop your signing. Okay. Now we can take it. Okay.
Now, can I tell you a question?
Obviously, you can tell.
I think astronauts. You hear also the word astronauts?
Yes, which got on the moon.
Good.
Okay.
Astronauts hear sound on moon. This is questioning my mind.
Oh no, it's not.
Why?
Can I tell you why?
Yes, of course.
Because in the space and in the moon there is no air, so the air is also a part of the sound.
Yes.
So इसीलिए
Therefore, the
Therefore-
astronauts not hear sound.
okay.
Yes. I explain its topic again.
Now
In the
stop
moon, wait. In the moon, there is no air,
it.
of course, and sound required medium to travel, and there is no medium in the space or moon, so
Oh.
sound can't travel.
In medium, what is this? The sound can medium to travel?
You don't know?
I don't know.
Oh, I tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Sound requires a medium to travel. Sound have three mediums to travel. First is
Solid.
Second is
Liquid.
third is
Gas.
good. So, guys, you want that we do activity on solids, like etc.
So we don't have table now, so we can do here. Okay.
Yes,
Now I can take my ear here.
I can.
Ooh, I feel the sound and the vibrations.
This is solid, and you feel vibrations through solids. Okay.
Now there is gas. Okay.
Hmm.
So if I
Ah,
You don't feel the vibrations.
no.
In air, I understand. In air, this, ah, so much noise.
Janchi, you know,
But
sound is travel in solids faster.
oh,
Yes.
in gaseous,
Slow.
in liquid,
Also slow. But in solids, sound travel faster.
I think in the liquid it moves like this.
You.
You. In solids, it's like this. In
Yeah.
gases, like this.
Okay.
So now I have extra knowledge.
Yes.
What is noise pollution?
Noise pollution. Unwanted sound is called noise, and oh, you can tell me.
So, like when I am striking it, wait a minute. Ah, you can hear the sound, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can feel bad and you feel good.
I feel uncomfortable or bad.
So this is a noise pollution.
Yay!
Like I can give you.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait.
Yes.
I know what is noise pollution, but I can test you.
Oh, so I can give you examples too. Like someone is horning like this. Trrrr. We don't like this sound. We
Yeah,
feel
correct.
uncomfortable.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Good. So next extra knowledge is differences females vocal cords, children's vocal cords, and males vocal cords. Can you know?
Yes, I know. Female vocal cord, like hello everyone, hello everyone.
Stop it. I can tell you. So in the females there is 15 millimeter
Oh,
of the like this is a 15 mm like this. This is a vocal cord in this. In children they are very small like that.
oh,
In females they are 20 mm
oh my God!
like this.
In males.
In males.
Oh, ठीक.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you all understand the video? Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay. Ah! Oh, she runs. Bye.